Welcome to Nagesh EduTech. This is Nagesh. Dear friends, so today I am giving the third class in this chapter, that is electric charges and fields chapter. Dear students and friends, please subscribe my channel and support me and share your friends and try to subscribe them. సో నేను ఇలాంటి ఎన్నో ఉపయోగకరమైనటువంటి వీడియోలు మీకు అందివ్వాలన్నా ఖచ్చితంగా నా యొక్క ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి ఫ్రెండ్స్ అండ్ స్టూడెంట్స్. అదేవిధంగా మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ద్వారా షేర్ చేసి వాళ్ళని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయించండి. మన యొక్క ఛానల్ అనేటువంటిది ఇలాగే ప్రతి వీడియోస్ అంటే ప్రతి ఉపయోగకరమైనటువంటి వీడియోస్ అన్నీ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ పర్పస్ అంటే ఎంసెట్ కానీ నీట్ కానీ లేదా ఏదైనా ఆర్ఆర్బీకి సంబంధించినటువంటి క్లాసెస్ కానీ అన్నీ కూడా నేను ఇవ్వడానికి సిద్ధంగా ఉన్నాను. సో కాబట్టి మీరు చేయవలసింది అంతా ఒకటి ఏంటంటే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం. సో నా యొక్క ఛానల్ను ఓపెన్ చేసిన తర్వాత మీకు అక్కడ వచ్చేటువంటి వీడియో దగ్గర సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అనేటువంటి రెడ్ లైన్లో ఉన్నటువంటి ఆ యొక్క సబ్స్క్రైబ్ మీద మీరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసేసి పక్కనే ఉన్నటువంటి బెల్ ఐకాన్ను క్లిక్ చేసుకున్నట్లయితే నేను పంపించేటువంటి ప్రతి వీడియో మీరు రిసీవ్ చేయగలరు ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో కాబట్టి దయచేసి ఇదొక సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి. ఎందుకంటే మన యొక్క ఛానల్ అనేటువంటి మానిటరింగ్ కావాలి అన్నా ఖచ్చితంగా మన యొక్క 10 మందికి ఉపయోగపడాలన్నా ఖచ్చితంగా మనం సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో ఈ వీడియోని చివరి వరకు చూడండి. ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యార్థులకు సంబంధించినటువంటి టాపిక్ ఇది కాబట్టి ఖచ్చితంగా వాళ్ళకు ఖచ్చితంగా ఈ యొక్క వీడియో ద్వారా 4 మార్కులు సంపాదించుకునేటువంటి అవకాశము ఉంటుంది. సో డోంట్ మిస్ ఇట్. ఇది వచ్చేసి ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం ఓరియంటేషన్ సంబంధించి ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం విద్యార్థులకు, తెలుగు మీడియం విద్యార్థులకు నేను ఆల్రెడీ ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. సో కాబట్టి చివరి వరకు చూడండి, ఎక్కడ కూడా మనము మిస్ కావద్దండి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. Dear friends, welcome to Nagesh EduTech. This is Nagesh. Dear friends, today we are discussing about the third class in this chapter, that is electric charges and fields in this chapter. So I am given the 2 classes, that is class 1 and class 2. Now this is the third class. Okay, this class is continuation of the second class, friends. So here our topic is electric field. Our topic is electric field. Here the electric field means how to define this one means the definition of the electric field is the space or the region which is surrounded by one of the electrical charges which is influenced or affected by that charge. That space or that region is called the electric field. If suppose the another charge which is entering into this electric field, then automatically that charge which is entering into this one, that charge is experienced some electrostatistical force due to this charge. So that's why the electrical field means simply the space or the region which is surrounded by one of the electric charges, which is surrounded by an electric charge that space or a region is called the electrical field. See here I am explaining the definition of that electric field. Here let us suppose that this is one of the electrical charges, that is a positive point charge. Whatever I am taken here, that is the positive point charge. Due to this positive point charge, then automatically here what I am saying means the electric field means the space or the region which is surrounded by this surrounded by an electric charge, that space or region is called the electric field of this charge. If suppose the another charge which is entering into this electric field or a space or a region, that electric charge is experienced some electrostatic force due to this positive charge. That's why this the electric charge which is entering into this electric field, that electric charges is called test charge. Why? Because it is testing to this electrical field. That's why it is called the test charge. It is called the test charge, and this is called the initial charge. This is about the definition of the electric field. This is the definition of the electric field. So the next one is the intensity of electric field. Intensity of electric field. Here the intensity of electric field means the intensity of electric field is defined as force per unit charge which is inside the electric field is called the intensity of the electric field. Intensity of the electric field. So intensity of electric field is always defined as force per unit positive charge. Force per unit positive charge which is inside the electric field. See here, I am explaining. As usually, let us suppose that this is one of the positive point charge. This is field of this one. Let us suppose that this is nothing but one of the positive point charge. Okay, of electric field is this one. Okay, this is the electric field of this is positive point charge. And here the intensity of electrical field means let us suppose this is also okay. Let A is nothing but one of the point which is inside the electric field. Let A is nothing but one of the point which is inside the electric field. In this position, okay, so we are keeping one of the positive point charge. It is called the test charge. Keeping one of the positive point charge. It is called the test charge plus Q. So here the intensity of electric field means the force which is experienced, the force which is acted on this positive charge, the force per positive charge is called the intensity of electric field. Suppose then automatically this positive point charge is inside this electrical field means then automatically this experiences some electrostatistical force due to this charge. That electrostatistical force. Then the definition of the intensity of electric field means it is force per unit positive charge which is inside the electric field. Intensity of electric field is defined as force per unit positive charge which is inside the electric field is called the intensity of electric field. That's why so intensity of electric field is always denoted with E. So E is equals to force E is equals to force per charge, whatever we have taken here the positive charge, that's the force per positive charge, that is E is equals to F by Q. E is equals to F by Q. So this is generally the definition of the intensity of electric field. So here the intensity of electric field is always nothing but it is a vector quantity. That's why it is having the direction also. It is the vector quantity and its SI unit is newtons per coulomb. Its SI unit is newtons per coulomb. So its SI unit is newtons per coulomb. This is about the intensity of electric field. So intensity of electric field is defined as force per unit positive charge which is inside the electric field is called the intensity of electric field. Generally, the intensity of electric field is always nothing but the vector quantity. That means it is having the direction at the same time magnitude also. Magnitude and direction both are having this physical quantity. That's why it is a vector quantity. And its SI unit is newtons per coulomb. Okay. This is about the intensity of electric field. So next topic వచ్చేసి మనకు next topic is intensity of electric field due to a point charge. Intensity of electric field due to a point charge. Intensity of electric field due to a point charge. This is the most important topic for intermediate public examination for 4 marks, friends. That's why don't skip this video. Please watch at the end of the video. So don't skip this one. So here the our aim is to find the intensity of electric field due to a point charge. That's why first of all once again I will repeat intensity of electric field means okay, see here, the intensity of electric field is always defined as force per unit charge, okay, which is inside the positive, which is inside the electric field. Force, I mean, one of the positive charge which is experienced electrostatistical force, that force is nothing but the intensity of electric field. Okay, this is also the same definition. Let us suppose that here I am taken one of the positive point charge. Due to this positive point charge, this is the electric field of this one. This is the electric field of this one. Then the intensity of electric field is E or E bar. E bar. This is the intensity of electric field. Okay. In this electric field, I am taken one of the positive point charge here. That is A. A is nothing but the one of the positive point. Sorry, A is nothing but one of the point. A is nothing but one of the point which is inside the electrical field. In this point, so we are assume that one of the test charge plus Q. This is also one of the positive point charge which is tested to this one. That's why it is called the test charge, and this is called the initial charge. So okay, we are keeping, or we are assume that this is the one of the test charge which is at this position A inside the electric field of this charge. So simply the distance between these two one is R. The distance between these two charges is R. And then automatically these two charges are separated with a small distance, means compulsory. Okay, according to Coulomb's inverse square law, attraction or repulsion force is created or ejected in between these two one. But here we have taken the two positive charges. That's why compulsory here the repulsion force is developed or produces in between these two charges. So that electrostatistical force is F here. This is the simply the repulsion force. Okay, the repulsion force which is developed or produced in between these two charges which are separated with a small distance R. So according to Coulomb's inverse square law, okay, force F is equals to, see here, so from Coulomb's law, so force F is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, so Q by R square. This is taken equation number 1. Okay, this is the force from the Coulomb's inverse square law. The force, the repulsion force which is developed or produced in between these two charges which are separated small letter R distance, that is F is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. But according to a definition of intensity of electric field, but according to definition of intensity of electric field, but according to intensity of electric field, intensity of electric field E is equals to force per charge. From this one, force F is equals to EQ. This is the equation number 2. I am taken equation number 2. So force F is equals to force F is equals to EQ. Here, from equation number 1 and number 2, both are refers to the one physical quantity, that is the force. Okay, both equations are the both results are express the one physical quantity, that is the repulsion force, which is developed or produced in between the two charges which are separated a small distance r. So that's why these two equations are equating both one. Why? Because the both are refers to the one thing. That's why both equations are equating, and after equating, then we can easily find out the intensity of electric field due to a point charge. See here. So that is I am equating the both equations. Why? Because the both are expressing one thing. That's why that is from 1 and 2, from equation 1 and equation 2, both are equating simply. That is EQ is equals to force F is equals to EQ is equals to, according to Coulomb's inverse square law, force F is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught QQ by R square. So that's why 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught QQ by R square, QQ by R square. Simply what cancelled here, the small letter q and small letter q both are cancelled the both side, and the remaining only left out E is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by epsilon naught q by R square, q by R square. So this is the intensity of electric field due to a point charge. Okay, this is the intensity of electric field due to a point charge. In vector form, then E is equals to, or E bar is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by R square into R square into R cap, R square into R cap. So this is the intensity of electric field. So I hope you are understanding. Dear students and friends, please subscribe my channel. I am ready to prepare this type of so many useful videos for intermediate examination point of view, at the same time competitive examination purpose also. So you do one thing, so please subscribe my channel and support me. At the same time, please share my channel link, share to your friends and try to subscribe them. Okay, thank you. One and all, bye.